Okay, so we have a video today about the Hoover Power Dash, and I kind of want to see if we can put that motor in because I got a motor for it online. I got it through Amazon, and so so the official part is not available, but it's some company decided to make one, and I said, all right, let's check it out. Let's see if it works. Guys, so I have the Power Dash here. All right, Power Dash pads, and it's plugged in. Okay, so we have it plugged in, and we have no power. Okay, all right, even on the recline, all right, we have no power. We're gonna release. All right, it's released. So, okay. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to remove the screws from this. Just want to, now, I do have another video on the channel that show you how to take these apart. But there's there's a quick reminder. There's a screw underneath here, so you're going to have to pop out this this wheel, and there's a screw under here, so you'll pop out the wheel. Just remove these from here and here, and just look around, and then there's one right here. So you can remove this little piece. And actually, I think you should pop this out first. I think you can just pop this out first and then remove the screw, and then you can take the top off. But take a look at the other video on my on the channel in the playlist, and you should be able to get a good detail rundown as to how to remove the cover. Okay, so we can get to the motor. Here's the motor. All right, we have our power switch back here. Okay. We're going to replace it with this. All right. Okay, so I just kind of moved this motor out the way. I just lifted it up a little bit. And you're going to notice the basics. You have your neutral wiring here. Okay, you have your ground kind of in there. And then you have your, now this is a fuse, okay, to go with this live main wire here. Okay, so we just have to replace those. That's it. Just get a pliers or something, squeeze this to loosen it. Do the same thing here. Get a flathead. You can use a flathead in this one. And replace that, and then we're good to go. All right, guys, so the old motor is out. This is the old one. The new one is in. And really was just connecting the, let me just pull this up again. Just reconnecting the ground over here, and just reconnecting the white wiring and the main line wire. And I just kind of make sure that this is snugged. See this fuse right here? Just snug it in here, and then get the wires out the way, and just kind of just make sure it finds its home. Right there. Okay. And that's pretty much it, man. All right. Let's turn it on real quick. Hold on. So for testing, I wanted to make sure this cover was on, because what you don't want is for when you turn the motor on, it flinches like this, and now it, so here we go. Okay, guys, so it's all done. And so we finally came full circle with this thing. And we're here. So we were able to find a motor. There's about 3 videos on our site with this power dash, and we finally came full circle. So for those of you who've been following and been watching the different videos, at least now we found a solution. Okay. All right. So stay tuned for some more. All right. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe and share if you like, and come back and we'll have some more for you. Bye bye.